Hello everyone. In this video we are going to configure nopCommerce SAML Single Sign-On using Salesforce as an identity provider. Let us look at how to download and install the nopCommerce SAML SSO plugin. Visit the nopCommerce marketplace and search for SAML. Click on the SAML Single Sign-On SSO Mini Orange extension. Click on the Get Extension button to download the plugin. Once downloaded, extract the downloaded zip and select the installable plugin zip according to your nopCommerce store version. After successful plugin installation, go to the Plugins dashboard and click on Add New IDP. Select the Service Provider Metadata tab. You can send the plugin metadata to the identity provider in a number of formats, such as metadata URL, file, or text. Whatever option you choose, please keep it handy. We will require this metadata while configuring the identity provider. In our scenario, keep the base URL and SP entity ID handy for further configuration. Let us look at how to configure Salesforce as an identity provider. Log in into your Salesforce account. Under Identity, select Identity Provider. Click on Service Providers are now created via Connected Apps. Enter basic information such as Connected App Name and Contact Email. Under Web App Settings, check the Enable SAML checkbox. Enter the ACIS URL and SP entity ID in their respective fields, which you had kept handy. Keep the name ID format as persistent. Now, scroll down and click on Save. Now, scroll upwards. Under Platform Tools, click on Apps section. Under Connected Apps, click on Manage Connected Apps. Select your application. Scroll down, and under Profiles, click on Manage Profiles. Choose the profile to log in through our application and click on Save. Under the SAML Login Information section, download the IDP metadata. Let us look at how to configure nopCommerce module as a service provider. Click on Identity Provider Settings and select Salesforce as your identity provider. Click on Upload IDP metadata. Here you will find two options to upload the metadata. You can fetch the metadata by entering the metadata URL. Else you can upload the metadata file. In our scenario, let us upload the metadata file. And click on Upload Metadata. You can see that the IDP metadata has been uploaded successfully. To verify the SSO configuration, hover on Select Action and click on Test Configuration. Use the test user credential to log in. After successful authentication, a Test Successful window will pop up showing user attributes such as name, ID, and so on. Now, click on Done. Now, let's jump to see how your end users will use the SSO login into your store. Hover on Select Actions and click on SSO link to copy the link. Paste the SSO link in an incognito window and hit the Enter button. The Salesforce login page will appear. Use the test user credential to log in. On successful user authentication, the user will be sent to the nopCommerce store and will be logged in via Single Sign-On. Thank you for watching. For any queries or questions you may have, please feel free to contact us at nopCommerce support@securify.com.